Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I would appreciate it if you would click that like and subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be the first to know every time I hit a new video up on the site. And if you are a current follower and have been following, welcome back. It's glad to have you. So in today's video, I am actually going to do a flip through of the Happy Planner journaling sticker books. Now, about a couple weeks ago, the Happy Planner company dropped 6 different sticker books. Out of the whim, no grand announcement, all of a sudden, it was there, it was here, boom. And they sent us on a frenzy. You'd have thought somebody gave away $1 million and we were all trying to get a piece of the pie. The disappointing factor is, it seemed to have been released like Midwest, and I live on the East Coast. So while I was on a hunt, going to stores 3 or 4 times a week, driving more than 30 minutes away to find a Michael's, still nothing appeared and showed up. Then I got a text from my planner bestie, and she actually was at a Michael's, and they had dropped at her Michael's in Delaware. They still weren't here in Philadelphia. So she asked me which ones did I want, and at the time I was doing something else, but I wanted to make this a priority, and I couldn't think like which videos had I already watched, which ones that I really want. And initially, only thing I could think of is Boss Babe. But then I remember I saw the journaling one. I remember seeing the journaling doodles, and then I remember seeing this, and I thought I didn't want the doodles, but let me just get the journaling since I'm going to start journaling. But what I didn't realize is that this is probably for bullet journaling, which I don't do. I feel like I need instructions for this. I really do. I feel like I need instructions for this, guys. So I'll be out here stalking all the planner babes that are using this journaling sticker book in their plan with me till I get it right. Because I was going through it, and there's nothing essentially wrong with it. I just feel like it's too black and white, and I feel like, am I supposed to color this in? You guys let me know. If you guys are out there and you have these, just let me know. But I mean, they're cute. They're the basic banners that you can make in some circles, and I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with these. I have no clue what I'm going to do. So I will definitely be stalking everybody's plan with me. Like, some things I could figure out, but then other things, and this is this a mini? No, it's not a mini, so it should be the regular size. Now I know what these are. These are like the call out things, and you can put messages in there, and those are cute. I know what that's for. And then we have the gold boxes. This is gold foil. That's just black and white. So I know what I can do with the boxes. So we have gold foil, and then we have the regular black and white boxes. And then we just have these big squares. And they actually look bigger than my classic. I don't have the big Happy Planner. I have a classic. Or maybe they can go landscape-wise, and then I can put other stuff in there. I'm not really sure. I'm confused. And then you have this bigger one. So I'm like, well, what am I supposed to do with this one? I'm telling y'all, help me out. Help me out. So then they have these circles. I know I'm going to need instructions. I love hearts. Hearts are my favorite shape. And Valentine's is coming up. And see, this I would probably color in. I would color it red, and I would place it somewhere. I guess. Is that what I'm supposed to do? I'm just so confused. Banner. Now, I know what to do with these. Now, here's something I can work with. I know what to do with these banners. I can put some words in it. I can even use some of the stickers that are on the clear sticker paper and put them in there. I can write some things. Oh, and then they have these gold foil ones. Those are pretty. Those are pretty. And then we have some boxes, some smaller boxes or rectangles and more. And I could definitely use that for categorizing. This is different, and I like that. That is different. And this is I guess this is a monthly calendar, but I'm not sure what it's for. So I'm going to have to watch. Hopefully the Happy Planner will post a video so I can get some tips on how to use this. I'm going to assume that this is a habit tracker, and it's gold foil on here too. I'm assuming that this is a happy tracker, like you would write what your, I said habit tracker. You would write what the habit is, and then you would mark, I guess, what days that you're actually doing it. And then you have some bullets here. These just say hydrate, so you can mark off, track your hydration. And then these are small little check boxes and bullet points. Oh, these are dollar signs. I do like that. Oh, I mean, I like the whole page. I'm not knocking it. And then we have it in gold foil. And then we have a whole mixture of stuff. Oh, I can use this on my my travel log. So I can map out the weather, whether it's going to be a snowstorm, lightning, rains, partly cloudy. I like these. This is windy. Gas, money, bank, laundry, shopping, and I'm going to say bright ideas. That or pay your electric bill. I'm going to assume this is for a doctor's appointment, dentist appointment, coffee, music, reading. All right, so these are very easy. Cooking, crock pot here. So these are very easy to figure out. And I definitely can use these. Exercising, walking, drinking, or hydrating. The gym, sleep, I'm not sure what that is. A cupcake, movies, presents, TV. There's a key. I finally learned how to make one of these. I'm going to be working on my lettering. And I used to see people do this all the time. And I loved it. I couldn't figure out how they did it. And now, by George, I think I've got it. Arrows. I can always use some arrows. Pointy arrows. Look, the months in gold foil. This handwriting is so pretty. Look at November. That's my birthday month. It is so pretty. That is so pretty. And then these ones look like you can color them in, because they have like that open type lettering that you can color them in. Me and my big fingers would have a hard time coloring in these, but I may try. Or I can get my granddaughter to help me. Then we have some days of the week here in different hand lettering. So you can label your calendars during the week or during the month, or if you cover up the days or the dates because you're using like washi or something like that. Oh, so you got it in gold foil and you have it in black and white. So you can use those to replace. And then we have numbers to date our calendar. Keep life fun. Enjoy every moment. Gold foil. Then you have the black boxes with gold foil in it as well. Then we got the letters you can color again. Block letters, I think they're called. I like them. They're nice and big and readable. Oh, and then that's it. So that's it for the journaling sticker book. I'm definitely going to use it, but I'm sorry guys, I'm shaking my table. I just realized that. I'm going to need some assistance. Oh, look, on the cover. Okay, so on the cover, it kind of gives you ideas of what to put. And this looks like a happy notes type thing. So I wonder if this is like for the bullet journal. I know I said that earlier, but now that I'm looking at it, because I wasn't looking at this, like there's no lines. So this looks like the happy notes book. There's no lines in here, and then they're just making up stuff and creating their own sheet. That is goals. That is the happy tracker. Reasons to get fit. Okay. I'm glad I actually took a look at this. So now I have some idea as to how to use these stickers, because I really wasn't sure what I was getting. I was trying to like grab them on the spur of the moment, and I wanted to make sure I had more than one. So that is it for the journaling flip through, guys. Let me know if you've purchased the journaling sticker books. Let me know, how do you like it? Are you using it in your bullet journal, or are you using it in your classic or your mini planner? Let me know what you're doing with it, or tag me on Instagram and show me what you're doing it. That is all for now. Bye, guys. Before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so that you will be notified each and every time I post a video to this channel.